problem, piles. And I will show you some important yoga postures and yoga asanas to manage your piles problem. But to get the solution for any particular health issue, first anyone should know the main cause of the problem, and for piles, constipation is the main problem. So to get rid of the constipation, one should have a high fiber diet, and the another most important thing is one should have a healthy lifestyle, healthy and active lifestyle. So before starting asanas, I want to tell you about the very important mudra that is called Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini Mudra helps to manage your piles problem to a great extent, because in this mudra you have to contract your anus muscle, then hold it for 3 seconds and then release it. So like this you have to repeat 3 times, or you can repeat for 6 times. Like this you can repeat 3 to 4 times a day. This mudra will help you to manage your piles.
So let's start with the first asana, Gomukhasana. For that, sit in Dandasana. First, bend your left leg and put the left foot under the right hip. Now, bend your right leg so that your right knee is stacked over your left knee. Now, inhale, raise your right hand. While exhalation, bend your left hand and interlock your fingers behind your back. Remain in these postures for few seconds. Sitting in this posture applies Muladhara Bandha, which is very good for piles because it strengthens your anus muscle. Now the second asana, Setu Bandhasana. For that, lie down on your back. Your legs should be hip distance apart. You can touch your fingers to the toes, or you can interlock your fingers. Now inhale and raise your lower body higher and higher. While exhalation, you have to pull your stomach more and more in, and you have to tighten your anus muscle, which is Muladhara Bandha. Again, very good for uterus prolapse and rectum prolapse. It alleviates any problem related to rectum like piles and constipation. Now the third asana, Supta Hasta Padangusthana 3. For that, first raise your left leg and hold your left toe with the right hand. You can adjust yourself so that your leg and knees are completely straight. You have to push your foot against the wall. This posture again gives good stretch and pressure to the lower abdominal area, which is again related to Muladhara Bandha, good for piles. Now the next asana, which is Sarvangasana with wall support. For that, lie down on your back and you have to press your foot against the wall so that your knees are at the 90-degree angle. Now inhale and raise your lower body higher and higher. You have to straighten up your legs completely. While exhale, you have to tighten up your abdominal muscle, which is Uddiyana Bandha, and tighten up your anus muscle, which is Muladhara Bandha. Applying Muladhara Bandha is very good for piles. Now you have to apply Ashwini Mudra here. As I mentioned earlier, Ashwini Mudra strengthens the rectum muscles, which is very good for rectum prolapse, uterus prolapse, and helps you to manage your piles problem. Last asana, which you can say a counter for the previous asanas, that is Sahaj Hasta Bhujanga Asana. For that, you have to lie down on your stomach. Your legs should be crossed and elbows are close to each other. Relax in this position for few seconds. Then release the posture and sit in Vajrasana. Namaste. For any pranayama and asanas related information, you can subscribe to Vyaniti Yoga.